Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our July monthly kit reveals. Every month we come to you to reveal all our kits. And if you didn't know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club. We provide 3 kits, a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. And we reveal those every month to show you what's in our kits. So you can stop by our website at www.treasureleekits.com and pick up a kit or subscribe so you never have to worry about missing out on a kit. And if you're seeing these kits today, then that means it is reveal day and the kits are available in the store and you can go ahead and grab yourself one. That being said, we're going to go ahead and jump in with our scrapbook kit first. Alright, so like I said, we have 3 kits. Our first kit is our scrapbook kit. It is $52. That includes your shipping. You can buy a kit or you can go ahead and subscribe to it. If you subscribe, we do ask that you make a commitment of 6 months since our kits are purchased in advance according to our subscribers. Alright. First off, at Treasure Lee, we love flowers. So our kits are always going to have tons of flowers. And first up, we've got this 9-piece pack from Prima Flowers. This coordinates really well with our kit. Actually, all our flowers are for Prima. So here's another 10-piece kit pack. Nice fun flowers. And our last pack of flowers, we've got these bright lemon yellow colored flowers, and there's 9 pieces in this pack, and you get 3 full packs of flowers. Also with Treasure Lee, we are a chipboard company. We cut our own chipboard in-house. That is also available on the website at www.treasureleekits.com. Go up to the top and you click on the button that says chipboard. It will show you all the categories, and then just click each category to see what's available there. So for this month, we've got some pieces that were cut just for this kit. First one up, we've got some bits and pieces honeycombs. And you've got 4 pieces in here. And actually, you can make this as many pieces as you want. When I get pieces like this, I like to cut these up and use these. But you get these 4 pieces. They are a natural color. Occasionally we will do some colored chipboard that will be limited edition only until the colored chipboard lasts. And for this month we do have a limited edition piece in our kit. This is specifically for the kit. And this is our B frame. Both of these pieces are available for sale separately on the website. I believe if you check under background, you'll find the bits and pieces, and under frames, you should find this. If it's not under frames, it might be under nature. So there you have that. That's the chipboard that is in the kit. And then we've got some, if you haven't noticed, our papers are by Simple Story. We've got some more bits and pieces. These are ephemera pieces, and you get 60 pieces in here. Go ahead and open them up and take a quick look at a few pieces. We've got some fun bright colors in this kit this month with an accent of black, but you get all these pieces and they're trimmed in white. I like when they're trimmed in white because then I can go ahead and ink these pieces, but you get all these fun pieces. Those back in there without losing any, and be careful because as you see there's some small pieces in here and I don't want you to lose any of your pieces like I am doing right now. I'm just dropping little pieces all over the place. Okay, so you got 60 pieces there, and you're also going to get another set of frames. These are chipboard frames that coordinate with the kit as well. There are 6 frames in here, and these are nice sturdy frames and nice fun accents. Oops. You get singles, you get some doubles, a nice big frame. How cute is that with the black and white gingham and then the yellow on the side? That's really cute. This one says be sweet. How adorable. And then you get like a little film strip one here too. You can choose to use that however you like, horizontal or vertical, but very cute. Those are also included. And now let's jump into what else is included in your pack. Now here you've got a 12 by 12 collection kit. So this just isn't paper. And there's 94 pieces in here when you count it all out. So we're going to go through and see everything that's in here. First of all, you've got our collection is Simple Stories and Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. I just absolutely love the colors. It's a little different type of paper than we normally do in our kits, but I just could not resist this color combo. So let's go through their papers. Here's our first sheet. Man, how pretty is this? I'd love to cut this out, fussy cut this out, and then just plop it behind a photo as layers. And there's the back. Here's another sheet. Very pretty. And there's the back side of that. How pretty is this paper? This is really nice for some fun summer pages, some summer picnic pages, some family reunion pages, some days at the park with the kids pages. This is just absolutely beautiful paper. And lots of fun. You could even use this for some gardening pictures, some backyard pictures. I absolutely love this sheet right here. It's so fun. In the background, this is another fun sheet too. I've lost track of how many sheets of paper we've gotten. Another little gingham sheet in yellow, and then another colorful background. And then for the next sheet, you get some journaling elements. So you can cut these out. You can use these as journaling cards, or you can use these as layers behind your photos, or you can just use the whole solid backside. And then you've got some more elements here. These are more like titles or quotes. They can also be cut out and used either behind your photo or again as a title. And you've got a solid on the back, so you can use it again to cut the cards out or as a solid sheet. And again, we've got some more elements. These first ones were 3 by 4. This next set of elements are 4 by 4. And again, solid back. Then you've got another sheet with more elements that are 4 by 6. Again, good for photo mats. And then a solid backside. And then you're also going to get a sheet with extra stickers on here. You've got some titles here, you've got some tickets, some little tabs, and then some other fun elements. And these are nice to layer. And even though they're sticky on back, take a little powder or cornstarch or something and just brush it over the back, and it takes away the stickiness. And then that way you can layer these to make, again, nice fun elements. You've got some photo corners and hearts here, little tag. So you've got lots of little pieces here to help you with decorating your pages. And like I said, just to make them unsticky, just a little cornstarch, a little baby powder or something on the back of it. It'll take away that stickiness, and then you can go ahead and layer these however you want. But this has been our scrapbook kit. And like I said, this one is $52, and that does include your shipping, and that's US shipping only. And these are all our frames. And while we're here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below and hit the little bell so that you're notified whenever we upload videos, because our design team uses all of our kits, and we like to upload videos to show you how to use the products in our kits. We don't give you specific instructions to recreate our projects. We just like to inspire you so your own creativity can show through. So again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Next up, we'll be back with our card kit. It's called our Cards, Tags, and More kit. And we like to call it that because this one is more versatile. It's for small projects, whether you like to make cards or tags or mini albums. That's what you get with this kit. It changes every month, so you never know what you're going to get. And for this month, we're going to start off with, you get something for a folio. And you open this up. Be careful because there's a little magnetic tab in there. And it's also going to give you the directions on how to put the folio together. So I'm not going to pull mine out, but you're going to have pages that flip and lift up. You've got flips, folds, and pockets. This is going to be a lot of fun. Maybe you've got a summer trip coming up or something and you want to put a fun project together. This folio would be really nice, and it's not something that's going to take a long time to do. So, and don't forget about your little magnetic. This is what's going to close it. And again, you've got directions on how to put the folio together, but what you're going to have to do afterwards is decorate it. And so to decorate it, you've got this 8x8 paper pad of paper from Graphic 45, and if I didn't tell you, this folio will come out to be a 6.5 by 6.5. So your paper will fit perfectly on here, and you're going to have, you know, plenty to overlap and to decorate, and you'll probably even have some left over. But again, this is 8x8, and let's go through some of the papers. We all know that Graphic 45 makes the best papers for altered projects, for mini albums. So how pretty would this be on your cover? This is the first sheet, and you get 3 sheets of this one. And here's the back. Your next sheet. And you get 3 of these, so you get 3 sheets of each paper. So you'll have plenty if you want to do your pages to match double-sided. So here's the front, there's the back, here's your next one. And these colors are very, very pretty, very summery. Here's your front, there's the back, here's your next sheet. You get a total of 24 sheets, so you get 8 sheets of paper. Here's your back. Now here's the sheet that's got the cutouts, and these are going to be really nice. What you get once you get your base papers down on your folio, you can cut the strips out, you can cut little pieces out to use these to decorate all over. And again, you get 3 sheets of these, so you don't have to worry about running out. And there's your back side. There's another sheet that'd be nice that you can cut up too. You can use this as borders, as strips. You can cut these. You've got 3. And there's the back side of that. You've got this sheet. This is really nice sheet paper. And there's the back side. Oh, one too many. There's the back side of that. So you've got some fun colors. You've got some blues, you've got some pinks, you've got some greens, you've got some naturals. And here's 3 more sheets again where you've got more cutouts that you can use to decorate and embellish your folio. You've got 3 of those, and there's your back side. So that's going to be the paper that's in the kit, but you're also going to get some more stuff to help you embellish this. And with that, again, you're going to get some custom cut chipboard for your folio, and these are also available in the store. But how about some mini gnomes to go along with your cottage life? So you're going to get 4 pieces here, and they're like mini gnomes on a stick. You can cut that bottom piece off if you don't want to use it that way, but they're like garden spikes, and they go perfectly with the cottage life theme paper. So you've got 4 of those. You're also going to get a pack of flowers. There's 9 pieces in here, and they're kind of shiny flowers, and they've got little bling centers to go inside. And I'm sorry, I didn't mention this card kit is $42, and that does include your shipping. And then you're also going to get some chipboard tags and pieces to embellish your folio with too, and these coordinate with the Graphic 45 paper, the Cottage Life, and these are so cute and fun. You've got this big butterfly, you've got some title tags here, and all these pieces. So this is what you're going to get in our cards, tags, and more kit this month. You're going to get some stuff for a nice, fun 6.5 by 6.5 interactive summer folio. So make sure you check out again the website, because our design team will be working with this and will be uploading projects that they've created with this. And make sure you follow us on all our social media too. All the links will be down in the description box. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. Mixed media kit, and it's more like a mixed media with a project kit. This is a standalone kit, so you don't have to have another one of our kits to be able to use this. You can subscribe to one kit or you can subscribe to all three. But with our mixed media, this is all about building your medium stash and trying new mediums and things like that. So you get mediums, plus you also get a small project so that you can use your mediums directly out of the box. If you just subscribe to this kit, you'll always be able to use it as soon as you open it. So first off, let's start with our mediums. You're going to get some heavy black gesso. You're going to get this tube. You're going to get some crackle paint or paste. You may have one or the other in your kit, and that's just due to supply shortages. We had to mix it up just so we would be able to have enough to bring you the crackle paint, but they both work the same way. The paint's just a little bit thinner than the paste. And again, like I said, make sure you subscribe so you can see us using all these products. You're also going to get some Lindy's in, what color is this? Bavarian blue, and this is their magical shaker. You can use this directly in your project. You can make a mist out of it. There are so many fun ways that you can use this Lindy's. And along with that, you're going to get this Pixie Dust Fixative. And it's a fine shimmer spray. And what it does is, once you use your magicals or any type of mica, have you ever noticed that if you go to touch it after it dries and they brush off? Well, this Pixie Dust Fixative you spray on top, and it finishes off your mixed media project where things won't rub off. So it's going to come with just the powder in here, and you're going to have to add the water to activate it. It's really simple. You just fill it with some water and give it a shake, and that's all you have to do. But not only does this create a fixative on your projects, you can use this under your projects and create a resist using this as well. So stay tuned on ideas on how to use this. Next, you're going to get some decorative tissue paper, and there's 6 sheets in here, so you're going to get 6 full sheets. And this is called Romantica, and this is by Prima from Finnabair as well too. And it's one of her new sheets, and it's got designs on here. You can cut it apart, you can pull it apart, and you can adhere it to the canvas that you got here as your background in one piece or in bits and pieces. And if you've been getting our past kits, we've got collage medium that you can use as your adhesive for this. What else have we gotten that you can use for this? I'm sure we've gotten some other mediums that you can use for your adhesive. Once we start a video, you'll give you some ideas on how to use the tissue paper and the things that you can use to adhere this. And then, like I said, you're going to get this 9x12 flat panel canvas board. So it's not as thick as a regular canvas. It's just a flat one. But this is your mixed media kit. The mixed media kit retails for $47. Had to get that right. I keep getting confused between the cards and the mixed media kit. This retails for $47, and yes, that includes the shipping, and I just want to keep letting you know that your shipping is included in that, so you don't expect any other fees. If you're international, please feel free to email us and we can give you a shipping quote. We do ship internationally. We just want to let you know what the shipping is going to be in advance. So this has been all 3 of our kits, and again, check us out at www.trejoliekits.com. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little notification bell so you're notified anytime we upload a video. Follow us on all our social media so you'll see all the projects, and then check out our Facebook group as well. We do have a monthly challenge. You do not have to get the kit to be part of the challenge, but you can win a gift certificate to our store. So make sure you check out our Facebook group for that, or the website for the reveal. But this has been Kim for Treasure Kit Club. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.